I'm thinking I might have to go to Extra Ford and see if they got it.
Yeah, they're gonna charge us for the whole fucking harness, but it's better than not fucking finding it.
Just change the whole harness.
But I don't know how far the harness goes.
Yeah. Just take a picture and go to Ford. Maybe they can give you like a part number or something. You can just look it up online.
No problem.
Hey, y'all just gonna stand there? Y'all gonna start working on my car?
I thought we were about to go take it to the junkyard or something. Way.
Hey, when we putting your lowering springs on?
I always say shit. Okay. Wait, we doing this side or the other side?
This side. Hey, what we gonna do? The whole suspension way?
Hopefully.
I already did that
You gotta
side.
go a little bit back, bro. Like,
Then y'all won't be able to fucking hear anything.
Should have bought a better camera.
oh no, can you zoom out or something?
No, I didn't even fucking zoom in.
Where's the jack? You lift it up, way.
Shit in the
Jack ya se murió.
I'm jacked.
Rose didn't let him on the door.
Oh, I forgot I had bought these to the BMW, and I never put them on.
You gotta
And I found them.
You never had that change.
I found them, so I'm gonna just put them to my fucking Ford. Might as well.
When are you gonna go get your tire away?
Is it the house, man? I never gone. I'm waiting for Ro to go. I need to change his tire.
They didn't have one for you.
Huh?
I didn't have one for you.
Oh, they don't got one for me?
I took it
Just get
Monday.
Lowe's. Oh. Hey, just get out Lowe's.
Basically, once you get that part, it'll be ready to go, way.
Pretty
Yeah, we just install everything else and then boom. Back to picking up beautiful intellectual females.
You lying ass bitch.
We got a brick in there.
A what?
The brick.
For the jack stand?
Like this.
A slow brick.
Bótala esa, güey, para quitarla.
Slow brick.
It's in there. I don't want to way off of it.
It's a mess and we have been working.
You got that tire away. Hey, no.
My big ass.
You failed?
Yeah.
No mames, vergas.
Let me turn the light on here.
I'm trying to play.
And guys, this is how you take the wheel off.
Hey guys, Chris fix it. Right. For the girls who doesn't know how to do it, that's how you do it. Or if you're Danny.
Que la traes caliente, güey.
I ain't trying to fuck her now.
Ahora sí, güey. Yeah. I can't. Look, güey.
3 hours later.
Oh shit. Hey, you're gonna flip the car. Alright, the wheel should be off now, güey.
Can't fix it if it's not broken.
I jacked the fucking Ford one time, bro.
Alright, go ahead.
And the fucking skirt just
Yeah, we
came
put the
off completely. I like,
Jack
fuck.
stand away.
A little bit.
Nope.
Probably about to put them in. Vente, güey. A dormir.
Hey, well, you got gloves.
A mimis. Yeah, in the shop.
Ah, la reina needs some gloves.
Where you took it off?
Should put it in the jack stand.
Weren't they making fun of you last time because you were wanting your gloves?
I guess.
The first time you're doing the rack system?
I guess he's not gonna be still. Let's go.
Hey, where you want me to take the whole suspension out?
Take it all out. Go ahead and put your springs in there too, way.
Shit. My springs are worth more than your car, way.
Shit. Hey, it kind
Leave it like that, or
your lower
take out the
springs
jet.
were like 180. This car was 100.
There you go, way. Nah, just leave it like that.
Looks like you're a doctor, way.
Doctor is there.
Hey, wait, pop the hood, way.
Pop the hood.
Up the hood. You're gonna take this house now?
How many car guys does it take to pop the hood?
One guy. We should live.
Hey, let me get that tubo, way. Hey, hold on, let me get that tubo.
I'm just the camera guy, dude.
Shit.
Which one?
That one.
Yeah, that's what it is for. Ya no
Mira.
sirve. Ya no
Damn,
sirve.
bro.
We'll get you like a
18.
What when he comes back, like, hey man, get bare tools.
Shit, but in the video, no tools. But here it is.
These are the bloopers. This is how to break tools.
That's como el video.
They're acting like little kids, bro.
Because they're acting their wee sizes.
You gotta get one of these. Tell them.
Man, you gotta be like Victor on the last video. You gotta explain what you're doing.
He already did. Let's go ahead and fuck up the whole car.
Basically doing the same thing as the last video.
Oh, shit. Alright.
That wasn't there before.
Nah, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Hey, hold this.
I don't really think the camera guy should talk that.
Y'all get mad when I don't.
Because you start bitching about it.
Alright, go ahead. Dale para arriba.
No, no está girando.
It is.
We're gonna edit the video to where only Danny's sitting in the car. Oh well.
Es better si pones allá y esta acá.
God damn, Danny Phantom.
That one was personal.
Ain't nothing to break it if it was already fucked up, way.
How can we fix it if it's not broken?
¿Quién eres tú? Para hacerme sufrir, para hacerme llorar.
We don't have the license to that song.
Copyright, way.
Yeah, but you got me there like that. Try, give me the. There's a little piece of metal over there on the floor. That's because this hood is fucked up.
Hey, wait, you gonna change the rotors?
I don't have that one.
Did you change the other one already?
Yeah.
Looks like somebody watching the videos.
Yeah, bro, you ain't watching my videos?
Bro, your recording skills are fucking trash.
And this is how you get in.
Mk4 golf probably. Oh, there's a pole there. Watch out.
Why did nobody recording road?
Gotta have multiple angles. Esta way. I gotta go get the fan relay because I gotta fix the fan. Oh, we can. Shit could be mobbing.
Fixed.
What are you taking out, eh?
I think we gotta take the whole shit off.
Ain't the ball joint stay holding it up?
What are you taking right now?
Esta madre.
Why?
You don't take it off?
Nope.
So what are you gonna change out? Estas?
The tie rod ends. Take off the sway bar bushings. Or the sway bar end link.
Yeah, ambitious.
And then the tornillo that's down there for the control arm. And the one over there that's for the control arm.
Hold on.
You got it on the jack stand right now?
Yeah.
It's not on.
Why? What the fuck? Man, you better fucking put a hole in my frame. Or in the fucking car.
It's not. This shit's hard.
Es lo que ella dijo, güey.
Ahí, va a estar como
Ahí
medio.
saca, güey. Hold on. So where you want it? Right here? On the pinch wheel. Right here. A ver. Entonces lo dejas acá. You see, that's where I would leave my shit, and that shit just popped off. I'm like, damn, I'm never doing this shit again.
That's where you jack this shit up on the pinch wheels. To take off the sway bar end link, you gotta jack up the controller. That way you don't break the bolt. Ask me how I know.
How do you know?
I broke the fucking bolt. There you go. We'll get the relay for the fan.